All right. Okay, so this is another one on how to find missing lengths of a triangle. And I like this one because it kind of fuses two shapes together. All right. And what you want to do is identify your right angle, just like before. So notice right here is my right angle. So this helps me identify my C here. And notice it's missing its X. We don't know what that value is yet, right? And now the thing is, let's say I let this part right here, this section from here to here, okay, that'll be my A. Now I'm missing my B here, okay? But wait a minute. If I use the pink here, notice it has a little tick mark here. And it has a tick mark here, here, and here. So that symbol means that these sides are congruent, meaning they have the same length. So if this side is 20, that means that this side is also 20 yards. Whoops, 20 yards. Let me write that a little bit neater here. 20 yards. This side is also 20 yards. And this side over here is also 20 yards. So that means I do have my B. My B is going to be 20 yards. Okay? And then I could just go on do the same thing. I'll have here A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. My A was given, it's 21 squared, plus, then we have my B, which is 20 squared, and I was able to find it because I knew some properties of geometry and also a square. So I have 20 squared is equal to x squared. X squared. Okay. So notice this is a good problem because now I see that the variable is all the way by itself. So all I have to do is focus on this section over here, okay? Right? And get rid of the exponents first, and then go ahead and add at the end. Okay, so 21 squared, I don't have that memorized. So what I do is I go to Desmos.com, okay, and put 21 squared, and I get 441. So I go ahead and plug that in here. 441 plus, and then I do 20 squared. So I go right here, hit return here, 20 squared, and I get 400. So I have 400 is equal to x squared. Okay, so then I add these two together and I get 841 equals to x squared. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is take the square root on both sides. Okay, I take the square root. I take the square root on both sides and I get x, and then it's going to equal to, okay, and then I take the square root. So the way you could take the square root here, enter, you say square root first and you put it inside the radical. So I put 841 and I'll get 29. Okay, so I have here 29, but again, since I took the square root, I do have a positive and negative root. Okay, but since we look at the context of the question, so look at it right here, see how they have yards? They're measuring distance. Therefore, I only take the positive answer, which is 29 yards. So that's my x. Oops. Let me delete that here. So my x equals 29 yards.